Elephants, saving plants from inbreeding, one poop at a time. Mother Nature's very own architects. Elephants are a particular type of keystone species known as an ecosystem engineer. Unlike human engineers, ecosystem engineers don't need years and years of schooling. Instead, they just exist in their environment. And by just doing what their instincts demand of them, ecosystem engineers make habitats easier for other organisms to live and survive in, which results in more species living in that area, increasing biodiversity. So ecosystem engineers typically equal to a healthier ecosystem. Elephants do this in many, many ways. Their footprints and the gouges they leave in the ground with their tusks collect rain and become watering holes for other organisms. Even what can seem like destructive behaviors from elephants can actually be really helpful for an ecosystem. Elephants that are walking through a forest disrupt the vegetation, knocking down young trees and clearing pathways. Yeah, if you're that tree that gets knocked down, it kind of sucks. But that opens up new space for other plants to grow, creates less competition for resources for the plants that stay, allowing those trees to grow bigger, taller, and healthier, and creates pathways through that forest for smaller animals that might not have been able to navigate the dense forest. And the whole inbreeding poop thing, elephants are huge, so they eat so much food every day. And as herbivores, all of that food is plants, which means they're taking in some seeds. And because of the long distances that they walk, when they poop, they're often a very long way away from where they ate. So when the seed comes out in the poop, it's in a brand new location. And if that seed one day grows up and becomes a grown-up plant, when it gets busy with the plant next door, it's unlikely it'll be one that it's closely related to. It increases the differences within a species of plant, increasing the likelihood that if something were to change in this environment, that species would be able to adapt and survive. Same reason why dandelions have evolved to have seeds that disperse in the wind, or with somebody blowing after making a wish. Aren't elephants the coolest? And their poop too, I guess. Know any other benefits of elephant poop? Stay curious, y'all.